MoeTheDriver.
Welcome back. It's been a while. So I got a message the other day where somebody said that they haven't seen any truck videos in a while and that kind of thing. So I decided to give you guys an update on the truck. Just a quick update about what we're doing and what we have going on. So you see the truck here, and it is in its same form that it was in before. Let me show you what's happening now. So I'm getting ready to take the truck down to the chassis shop so we can fix some of these frame problems that we have. So I have some frame kits here, and we're going to weld those on and fix those frame issues. Then I'm also going to get measured up for the 9-inch, and we're just going to build one. I was going to buy one from Strange, just a lot cheaper just to build one. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And I mean, the truck is still in, running shape. So I'm going to drive it down there, and then when we get back, we'll get the engine and transmission in. So right now what's happening is the engine is actually getting line bored right now, like as we speak. So as soon as the line bore is done, we'll get the rest of the stuff put together, slap it together, and then transmission will be done in about 3 weeks. Big turbo 400, and then we'll be ready to go, ladies and gentlemen. So just know that I have not neglected the truck. I've not neglected the truck, and we are about to roll, baby. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video.